This simple guide will show you how to delete a branch in GitLab. Whether you're cleaning up your repository or simply trying to remove an outdated branch, knowing how to delete a branch is an essential skill for maintaining a tidy and organized project space. Let's dive into the process and make sure you can do this quickly and efficiently. First, you'll want to navigate to your project repository on GitLab. If you're not familiar with how to get there, simply log into your GitLab account and go to your dashboard. The dashboard is where all your projects are listed. Find and click on the specific project you're working on. This will take you to the project's main page, where you can access various project features and settings. Once you're on the main page of your project, look to the left sidebar. GitLab organizes its features in this sidebar for easy navigation. Here, you'll want to select the option labeled Code. When you hover over it, a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, click on Branches. This section displays all the branches associated with your project. It's a great place to get an overview of what's currently active and what might need to be cleaned up. Now that you're in the Branches section, you'll see a list of all the branches in your repository. Each branch is displayed in its own row, complete with details such as the latest commit message and the person who made the last update. Take a moment to identify the branch you want to delete. Make sure you're selecting the correct one, as deleting a branch is an irreversible action in GitLab. Once you've found the branch you want to remove, look to the right side of its row. You'll see a red trash can icon. This is GitLab's way of indicating the delete option. Click this red trash can to initiate the deletion process. It's designed to be a straightforward action, but GitLab wisely includes a confirmation step to prevent accidental deletions. After clicking the red trash can, a confirmation dialog will appear. This is your last chance to double-check that you're deleting the correct branch. If you're sure, click on Delete Branch to confirm. This step is crucial, because once a branch is deleted, it cannot be recovered directly through GitLab. However, if you realize after deletion that you need the branch back, you may need to recreate it from another source or backup, if available. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a branch in GitLab. By keeping your branches tidy and removing those that are no longer needed, you help maintain a cleaner and more efficient working environment for yourself and your team. It's a small step, but one that can make a big difference in project management and collaboration. Thank you for following along with this quick guide. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on managing your projects in GitLab. Happy coding!